Good morning, everyone. This is Lady T, ZCD, coming back at you with a quick video. Happy Friday Eve. I always try to jump in here and say that if I'm doing this on a Thursday. So today, I decided to go ahead on and show you guys my dining room, what I came up with, what I created with the things I already had from previous Christmases, and a couple of new things as well in my dining room. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, here we go. All right, y'all, this is my dining room decor for Christmas. Now I'm stepping into the dining room and I'm going to do, first of all, a panoramic view of what I got going on here. And as you can see, this is what I came up thus far. I may add more, I may not. I don't know. But I've decided to stop right now, because my creativity stopped, and so I said, okay, let me go ahead on and stop. And that's what we have thus far. I love the way it turned out. This is the tablescape. The theme for the room is 'Tis the season to be jolly. Let me adjust this plate right here. I had those checkerboard or those buffalo check platters for the fall, and I never did get a chance to use them. So I said, I hold on to them until Christmas. As you can see, the napkins here, they came from Goodwill. I bought them during the summer, and also the napkin ring holders came in a set of 6, I think, or 8. So I decided to incorporate those napkin holders. Look at the beautiful deers. These deers came from Ross, the run I had already, and I'll take a closer look of the runner here and the design beneath. That's a tree that I got from Ross, I think last year. Just decided to put that in between the deers. At night, it lights up. The whole tablescape lights up. You can see those little twinkling lights now a little bit. They're on for the video during the day. I don't know about you guys, but I like to turn on my lights during the day around the holidays as well. All right, so this is one in. Now I didn't have enough place, but I did have these cups here. So I decided to go ahead on and place them on a square rectangle plate that I already had. And so you don't have to worry about it. If you don't have enough, you guys, just go ahead and incorporate it. Incorporate what you have already and just balance it out that way. Let me pan over. That's the tree that's lit with lights. I think I got 200 lights on that tree. 2 boxes. They came from Walmart. Very inexpensive Walmart for $2 and some change. My little bar over here. Love that deer wooden rustic look. My Buddha face, my Buddha girl here. I put a little Christmas ornament in her hair. And that's all I have for over here in this corner. I'm going to walk over. And as you can see, that's the bay window there. That's my bar cart. Simplicity sometimes is best. I didn't want to go all the way too much decor over here. A lot of my bar stuff is over here inside the cabinet. So it wasn't no need to, pull out a whole bunch of bottles and glasses and whatnot. Because when when it's time to incorporate all this stuff back to storage, you want it to be an easy breezy transition. So I'm just showing y'all this end of the table as well. Looking down, get the glare together. Okay, looking down from the bay window, you will see this view. Now I may put a little bit more decoration over there, but I didn't want to overdo it in here. That's my beautiful deer over there on that side of the room that lights up as well. It's turned on right now and it's plugged in right now. So I just made that little bow tie on his neck. This is the back part of the table scape, looking from this end. Now that plate doesn't have "'Tis the Season to Be Jolly," just a plain checkerboard plate or plaid plate. I love the almost cabin winter like whimsy feel that I have going on here. As you can see, the buffalo checks with the leopard print on the chairs goes together very well. So I did have to buy another deer. That's the only thing I purchased. And the garland. But everything else I had already. I did incorporate a little pig here on their bows, on their little ribbons around their necks to bring in that Christmassy element a little bit more, bring in some red. I feel like he is the male because he's a little bit bigger, and she is the female. It's a little bit smaller. Both of them were the same price, and it was purchased at different times. I only had one last year, and I bought the other one this year. I bought her this year. And so that's what I have going on here in my dining room. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Be as creative as possible with the things you already have. There's no limiting to decorating. You know, decorate the way you want, your own style. I love the bow I made here for this little reindeer here. Got him from Ross as well. So it was very easy breezy to decorate in this room. Hope you guys enjoy. I don't know if I'm going to add more or I'm going to just call it a day here. I think I'm just going to call it a day. I tried to put some glasses and drinking glasses and everything, but I just decided, no, I don't like the glasses. That's a little bit too much. So, and I probably will do something to this area. Maybe place a Christmas ornament right there in the middle, or I may not. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy decorating. Loving decorating this year for Christmas. This is a wonderful time of year. Hope you guys enjoy your decorating experiences. Be creative. Do what you like. Don't look at other videos and try to copy what they have. Do what you like, what you feel. And I'm sure that it will turn out wonderfully. Thanks for watching. Lady T ZCD. Peace. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Please hit the notification bell so you can get more videos. Please like the video or share. I truly appreciate it. All right. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace.